yes. Step closer. As you can see here, we have a fine example of a bird that's been completely fucked by another eagle. I think this is a havørn, as we call it in the Norwegian language. It's probably a seabird that's been fucked in the anus. And if we look closer in the sky, it's blue and not a fucking bird in sight. So, what killed this, you say? Well, that remains to be found out. A wise professor needs to take a break and pee a little bit. Yes, but worry not, I am done. I have opened my urine bowels and emptied myself of the yellow stinking pee, and I'm ready to look at more Norwegian birds. Oh yes, as we meet again, I've sniffed out the killer of these infernal beings. If you step over here, you can see that this branch right here is the killer, also known as the Pinocchus Maximus in the Latin tongue. Professor Asle. Oh, a good example of a bird's normal food that they would eat during the day. It's a red Flunkdungus paplicundus. It is a Brazilian fruit carried here by the Indians very long ago. If you take a closer look down the cliff, oh yes, there it is, the anus. Yes, we have found the eagle that killed the little bird. Up in the sky. Quickly, come along now. It's diving down. It's gone from our sight. It's a funny thing with birds. One time they're there, and another they're gone. So, birds are some stupid fucks, and they're even worse than cats. You can see here, they have horns on their head. It's a mark of dominance, and famously, they say the one with the longest hair have most chance of impressing the females and having a partner for the winter, and not, yes, Meh. As you can see, I have gathered a bunch of grass that's definitely better than what they've got right there, and I'm gonna go say hello to this Norwegian meh. Tread carefully. Careful not to speak. Meh. It's a normal reaction for females to run away from me, but I'm used to it, and I will persevere and continue my chase. Hello. Do you want some of my grass, little meh? I can't seem to get in contact with them. But famously, they say if you shear these and have 3 wool and 3 wooden planks, you can make a bed, and you can sleep away from the birds and monsters, and you'll be safe. But it doesn't look like today's the day. I guess I'll just have to eat the grass myself. Tastes really good. Stumbled across a nest of nesting sea eagles. They're enormous. Their wingspan goes up to 69 meters in the Norwegian legends of old. you can see them flying around, having a laugh at us, because we cannot fly, because we're just silly humans, aren't we? We must tread carefully and hope to not end up like the foot of the seabird that we witnessed earlier. It really is a miracle, watching all these sheep and goats and horses and cows and all these shits living alongside these four gigantic eagles. The Norwegian nature is truly astounding. For the first time in my history as a wildlife scientist, I am now seeing an owl. Of all fucking places you could have been, an owl. I would think this, judging from its flying pattern, its soundless wings flaps, and its white underbelly, that this is Aulus Volupitaris maximus. Very common in Norwegian, but not in the daytime. We must have a closer look. Come along. Beautiful, but yet frightening. We have arrived at the Fuglefjell. Yes, I can feel my heart really pump. This is a common occurrence in the Norwegian nature with formations like this. The gannet, a very popular bird here at Runde. It has a wingspan of between 170 to 180 centimeters. The gannet is the largest and most majestic of all the seabirds at Runde. The gannet is a close relative of the pelican and is easily identified by its white feathers, black wingtips and yellow head. And the male and female are identical. Really, it's a new species here in Norway, and the first time it was hacking here in Norway was at Runde here in 1946. Yes. It's about 2,500 pairs of these birds here at Runde, and one of the largest populations in all of Europe. Really a majestic sight.